and today we will be demonstrating how to connect the Doorking Smart Gate Controller and its functionality to our demonstration gate here. Always keep in mind that working on automatic gates is to be handled by a professional, so if you are uncomfortable with this process or need to reach out to somebody to have one of these devices hooked up on your gate, go ahead and reach out to Doorking, www.doorking.com, and they'll be able to put you in contact with a qualified individual who can get this done for you in your area. The unit that we're using here is a LiftMaster LA500, so these are not proprietary to Doorking gate operators. You can connect them to more than likely any gate operator. So we'll go ahead and show you how to hook it up to this specific model. So once you have the wires ran through, we'll go ahead and connect power to it. So this just takes normal AC or DC. It's low voltage, so it's rated for 8 to 30 volts AC or DC. This is just connecting right to the board's power. And then you have two other pairs of wires here. You have a pair of blue and a pair of yellow. One pair is the pair that will operate the gate, and the other acts as like a door sensor to tell the app whether the gate's open or closed. So the yellow pair is going to activate the door, so you'll wire this into either an exit or an open only command. You don't want to do it on a switch, push button switch. This device should only be operating the gate open, not closing it or anything else. So we'll go ahead and wire this into exit. And the pair of blue wires we're going to wire into the expansion board on relay 2. Dip switch settings off, on, off, and this will only activate the relay if the gate is not in the fully closed position. So we're wiring this to normally closed. And that's pretty much it for wiring. So we'll just go ahead and tuck these wires in here and close this up. So the next thing is going to be to register it on your app. You're just going to go to, I have an iPhone, so you're going to go to the App Store and then do a search for Doorking. And the app you need to download is the DKS Smart Connect app. Once you have that downloaded, you'll go ahead and open the app. We will allow notifications, agree, sign up. So you go through the registration process. So once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and go to add device. It's requesting your location, so go ahead and do connect, allow, and it will pull up. As long as this little LED is flashing, it'll pull up the device. You just click add and put in your Wi-Fi password. So we'll go ahead and paste our password, and next says that the device is being added. So your device has been added successfully. So now you have your gate named at the top. It shows the status is closed, and you should be able to open it. So we'll go ahead and tap open. It says that the gate is opening, and the gate is opening. It also shows you a notification on the top that your gate has been opened. So if you're on vacation or away from the house and you're not expecting anybody to be there, that's a nice little notification to let you know that somebody's opened the gate or that the gate's been open for some reason. Nice little notification, especially if you're not expecting anybody to be there. So this gate's on a timer for a couple seconds. Once it opens fully, the timer will count down and it'll close. So once it fully closes, the app will let you know that the gate is closed. So the next thing would be adding this to Siri so that you can control it with your phone or just use a voice command to have your gate open. So there's a couple steps to get this set up. So we'll go to Scene and Create Scene. You're going to do Launch Tap to Run. And then on the bottom where it says Then, there's a little plus mark. You're going to go ahead and tap that and select Run the Device. It'll have you pick your gate. And then you'll select Action and Open and save. Then you're going to click Next and save. So the next step would be adding this to Siri. So there's a couple steps to do that. You're going to go in the bottom right corner where it says Add to Siri. And then select the top action where it says Demo Gate Action Open. And here you can change the phrase that you want. So you'll say, Hey Siri, and then, open driveway gate or whatever. We're going to make our phrase Open Demo Gate. And then you should be able to go ahead and test it. So, Hey Siri, Open Demo Gate. And then there you go. So gate's opening, the app lets you know that the gate has been opened, and that's it. So that's wiring it, setting up to your home Wi-Fi, and then using your voice to control it. So pretty interesting little device. If this was something that you were interested in having installed on your property, go ahead and